front end where you can submit words that are stored in the sentiment analysis API.
But what is this project? What is a front end?
I guess front end is...
This is basically the index page of your website, right?
Yeah.
Where you can submit words and know their score. Oh, you can invent their score, right?
Yeah, I can add additional words to an additional object.
So you add additional words to your sentiment analysis list. To the AFIN list.
Yeah, but I've not tied an event to the submit button yet, so I'm gonna do that in a moment.
Can you show me your code? What have we got? What is this project? Because I know that you created a server, right? You just told me in Bath that you created a server. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
I have a whole bunch of routes. This is where I add a word. This is where this will start the server. This is where I just print the words. And this is where I search for a word.
And these are your files.
Yeah, these are my files. At the end, I'll also add the AFIN list, which I've used in my previous sentiment analysis project.
You haven't added that one yet?
Yeah.
And what kind of server are you using?
What kind of API you mean?
This whole project is creating your own API.
It's a REST API. It's a REST API.
And what does that mean? What is an API?
You can actually, it's an application that can communicate to another application.
So you're creating such an application.
Yeah.
And to which application is it going to communicate?
On the front end, like this. Looks like this.
This is your application. Yep. That is going to communicate with what?
The API.
But this is your API.
No, my API is somewhere else. I have routes.
Ah, the API is here.
Somewhere else. I can tack on / some directory. Or actually some route. It's really not a directory, it's a route.
So the final project is going to be that you can enter words here and add them to the sentiment analysis list.
Then I can even, at the end, I'm going to even analyze sentiment analysis.
And you can also analyze texts, right? This is the final purpose of the project.